Today, we're going to take a look at popular and extremely affordable cam from Crosstour. The CT9000 4K 16MP Sports Action Cam. Let's dive into it. Crosstour is a Shenzhen long-tow optics company that manufacture a range of budget sports action and dash cameras. The Crosstour CT9000 model is closer to the higher end of the range action camera from Crosstour. The perfect camera for anyone not looking to spend a great deal of money on a 4K sports cam but still get a good deal. Unlike the CT7000, this camera shoots 4K video and captures HD quality images via a 16MP sensor. Main action cam specifications and features are: 1. The CT9000's highest resolution is 4K at 25 fps. 2. Highest pixel count 16MP. 3. The notable features include a 170-degree wide-angle view. 4. 2-inch screen, built-in microphone. 5. 2x rechargeable batteries. 6. Smart TV Wi-Fi application. 7. Wireless remote control. And a waterproof case capable of withstanding depths of 30 meters. Which makes this action cam ideal for diving, surfing, snorkeling, kayaking, etc. With the camera itself, you get a nice bundle of accessories which includes a range of adapters and mounting pieces, which by the way, are GoPro compatible also. Here's a list of other camera features we've not mentioned. 1. Loop recording capability. 2. Self-timer mode. 3. Continuous lapse. 4. Burst photo mode. The camera comes with an SD card slot capable of taking a Class 10 maximum 32GB SD memory card. Memory card is not included. I would recommend, as always, using something like the SanDisk 32GB Extreme Pro. Video recording quality? Probably the most important feature. The quality isn't bad, though, a little shaky without ISO stabilization in general. As I mentioned, you can record 4K at 25 fps, in addition, you can also change the settings to record at 2.7K at 30 fps, 1080p at 30 and 60 fps, 720p at 60 and 120 fps. What about the image quality? If you're looking for a small camera that doesn't take up too much space but takes great photos, you can't go wrong with the CT9000 170° HD wide-angle fisheye lens. Image resolution options include 16MP, 8MP, 5MP, 4MP. What's missing from the CT9000 model action cam? 1. Again, keeping in mind that this is a mid to higher end range sports action cam from Crosstour, here's what's not obviously included. 2. No external mic input. 3. Not touch responsive screen. 4. No image/video stabilization, so you might want to consider a stabilization gimbal. 5. No carrying case. Most of these aren't a big deal as such if you're not wanting to spend a great deal of money on an action cam with all the bells and whistles included. If you are looking to spend just a little bit more money, then do check out my review of the Apex Cam M80 Pro or Campark X20. How does it compare with other low-end budget cams? You can easily compare the CT9000 with the Campark X74 as both of these have similar features. In fact, they're both very similarly built and the quality is similar too. Though, with the Campark X74, you have a few more recording resolution options. Let's see what the verdict. Overall, this is a great all-round budget action camera with just the right amount of features. And a great selection of mounting accessories to go. You get 2 rechargeable batteries, each able to provide up to 90 minutes of uninterrupted recording time. To get the most out of your batteries, just make sure you charge them fully for 2 hours. This camera is perfect for capturing your holiday memories on video or images. It's not a camera I would personally recommend for vlogging, simply because there's not the option for plugging in an external mic. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, this helped me to grow my channel. Also don't forget to click on the link in description, because that link may be the cheapest price for this product available in the market today.